So hi again, everybody. 4:15 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. That's the real cheers on a chai with ginger, with dalchini and amazing black pepper. Great for the throat. Great for feeling amazing. Great for driving away blues. If nobody knows this, but yes, during winters and otherwise, children, women, men, everybody kind of tends to get blues and stuff. So, anyways, Dalchini chai helps you also in the long term and stuff, and also of course it's great because of the amazing refreshing taste in the mouth and stuff and all that. Royal Andaz chai, कहते हैं ना जिसको जो. So that's that. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. Uh, Christmas and New Year around the corner. The times are for joyful celebrations and great memories, doing away with a lot of clutter and negative whatever over the year and stuff, and ringing in the new year with happy memories and celebratory times and stuff like that. So I'm giving you a home and office decor tip, which is really easy. So you just require three elements in this as well. So it's so easy, and anybody can do this. This is on picture frames. So we have picture frames. They may be colorful picture frames. They may be silver picture frames, or they may be the real classier, the real super rich ones, the silver look ones, the golden ones, the big size ones, and stuff like that. Maybe a big frame which you have on the wall and stuff. So all you require is those picture frames, a small, big, whatever size you have, and you require a layer of the sponge that you have, the green sponge that you get in the market, a thin layer or a thick layer, depending on the frame size and everything, and the look that you want to give, and you have to have flowers. Okay, so it's so simple. So what you do is you have the frame, and you put in this 4-inch, 5-inch, whatever size. If you want the sponge, like I said, to show, it's okay. But if you have a sleek layer on the base of the table or the display area, you just have that, and you put in these stems of the flowers with the leaves and everything, and you have a kick-ass design, a real classy, a real easy, a real fresh one on display. So try doing this. I mean, I came up with this idea because I was cleaning up and stuff, and the moment I saw that, I was like, hey, I could do something really interesting from this, because I'd seen a video a few days back on that, and it registered. So see, that's how even what you follow on Instagram and social media plays on you. So try and follow more of creative stuff if you want to kind of really get better in your learning on work and education, and on your design sense and your creativity and all that. Rest of it can be stored for debates and everything. But if you really want to kind of do some amazing uplift and some amazing stuff, try and put these picture frames. I'm going to share the pictures also on the WhatsApp groups that I have. And for more ideas, you can follow me on my social media page. I'm in a red picture with the India flag and the globe care on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram, and you've got my official and my work there also, which is on my social media page. The link is on Facebook. You can follow me on social media, which is on Instagram. YouTube, I have a channel which I have not started marketing, because I really have been wanting to only share my thoughts and stuff like that, not for likes or anything. But I see people write in, and they kind of follow those, and they talk to me when I meet them and stuff. So thank you so much. And also I see some people including my thoughts and vice versa and stuff. So enjoy yourself, have a blast. And if you really want to kind of work on your emotional mental health, I would recommend advice to unfollow negative and unhelpful posts, and follow stuff which is going to give you good energy, positive energy, because what you follow, like I said, grows on you. The moment you go out, you will start noticing those things and stuff like that. So have fun and have a blast. And I'd shared this. I'm going to share this again. The easiest tip is using I think this was a beer bottle many months back. I've given up